Daisy and welcome back to my channel! For this video, pupunta tayo ng Alamada, Rangayen. And this time, sa Sakdalan Farm na naman tayo pupunta. Kasi last time, nung nag-strawberry farm kami, ayun, kapos kami sa oras at hindi kami masyado nakapaglibot-libot doon. Pero nadaanan namin yun along the way. So, ngayon is kasama naman natin yung pinsan ko, si JP, at may mga newfound friends tayo. At mamaya, papakilala ko sila sa inyo.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, no fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on, Percocet.
Hi, so ayan si JP and si Pia. Hi, P. Hello. Ay, Jay, kamusta ka na?
Maraming pera.
Umaapaw ba?
Palimos, please.
Minutes later.
Hi! Andito na kami sa Sakdalan Farm. Yung makikita dito.
May bakahan po. Hindi bakahan sa kalan. Hey.
Few inches later.
Kami ngayon sa Goo dahil sarado ang strawberry farm. Hindi ko alam kung bakit dahil Sunday naman and usually weekend sila open, pero ayun, baka naubulan sila ng supply ng strawberry. Grabe. Sobrang sarap ng hangin. Sobrang fresh air dito. So, ayan yung nakikita yung view natin ngayon. Mainit yung tirik ng araw pero yung hangin is sobrang lamig. Sobrang nakakatakot na yung daan. Imagine ilang feet yan. Luis Buhay pictorials.
A few moments later.
Saan ito? Ito. Mr. Mrs. This is everyday flower.
Aralaw siya na mulaklak. Kaya everyday.
So, ito kami kakain. Ito sa Rangayen. Doon lang sa unahan ng strawberry.
Kapatid ni Rico.
Hi! Hi to the vlog! Oh. Hi! Oh, my steak. Ay. Hi, kuya! Hi to the vlog! Province good, kuya. Tapos ganito ang ginaserve. Oh my God, I love it. So, it's salad dressing.
Magkano to?
50.
50. Ang shake niyo, kuya, mga magkano din?
100 po. May strawberry, ma'am.
Ay,
Strawberry milkshake.
daw. Mag-strawberry ka na lang.
strawberry.
Oo, hindi ka man makakain doon. So, nito kami sa, ano to? Sticky Farm. Akala ko, Sticky Farm. Akala ko Sticky Farm. Siomai rice. Sarap ng siomai. Siomai rice. Ako ay nagugutom. Gusto ko siomai rice. For now, we'll be trying this strawberry shake nila. Pure fruit siya.
Nakagat na ako.
Sure mo good kami, kuya. So, dito pala yung kanilang rest house. Hi guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell button para updated kayo sa aking latest videos, like and share nyo sa ibang friends nyo na gustong pumunta sa Strawberry Farm, Sakdalan Farm, at yung sa bagong restaurant na may rest house sa Ostique Farm. So, see you around! Bye!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.